Hello guys, this is Sikandar Safe and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to download and how to install Tor browser. Tor browser is browser which we can access internet anonymously. Why people want to be anonymous while using internet? There are some people that they hide their identity while using internet. They do some they do some dangerous task or illegal task in the internet, and they don't want to be traced, so they use some applications or some ways to be anonymous and hide their identity to be to don't be traced. So let's start how to download and how to install Tor browser. First go to the Google and here write the Tor browser and click the enter. Here this is the official site of Tor browser, torproject.org. And first before you download the Tor browser, read all the instruction here. Here you can read this, and it will tell you all about the Tor browser, how to use it. And here to download the Tor browser, you will click here, and we download it for Windows. So here this can work in Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Vista and XP. And if you want to download it for Mac or Linux, you can click here, and I want to download for Windows, so I click here and my download is started. So it's the 51 MB file and it will take a little time. I already downloaded this before, so I will cancel this. If your internet is fast, then it will download and it will take less time, and if your internet is slow, then you will take a little bit time. So I already download this. Here here you can see I already download this browser. So let's start how to install. Right click here and open, and you can choose here language. By default it's English, and I will let the English and click the OK button. Here you can choose for location to download the browser, to install the browser. I will select here by default to be okay. So click the install button and yes, and click the you can see here complete the Tor browser setup wizard, and click the finish button. And here you don't need to configure, just click on connect. It will also take little time. Sorry, I am not a native English speaker, so I may be not good in speaking in English. So if I made some mistakes, so sorry for it. It also depends on internet speed. If your internet is fast, so it will also take little time, and if your internet is slow, it will also take little bit more time. And now you can see here my Tor browser is completely installed, and you can also check here for detail for helps. And one thing that I will told you that never maximize your Tor browser, use it while as it is. And you can see here it makes fake IPs that you can't be traced by others. So that is the best tool to hide your identity and to be anonymous. So thank you for watching. In here you can see it also works. It's Germany. Now it made the IP of Germany. Thank you for watching, and please support me to subscribe my channel. Here you can click the red button to subscribe my channel, and also click this bell icon to get more videos, the latest videos that I made. Please support me and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.